Hello, what's up, traders? Glad to have you all here today. This is Alice. Now, before the asset analysis, let me introduce our sponsor today, XTradeSpeed. XTradeSpeed is a 0% commission CFD trading platform and the best forex broker for MetaTrader. It is popular in more than 170 countries, which offers 150 plus assets including crypto, forex, commodities, indices, and stocks. If you are interested in opening an MT4 account there, check the link in the description, okay? Now before our topic, just to let you know, the chart is changing. Sometimes risk is unpredictable. So what I said today is just my personal opinion. It is not a trading advice. You may still need to mind the risk yourself. Okay? Alright. Now it's time to go to the topic. Channel trading in Forex. First of all, let's see what is channel line. Instead of plotting a simple trend line, the price channel comprises of two trend lines, upper and lower trend lines. Like the example on the right, and there are three types of channels. Ascending channel, also called bullish channel. It shows higher highs and lower highs. The second type is descending channel. We also call it bearish channel. It shows lower highs and lower lows. And the third type is horizontal channel, which means the price is moving in the ranging market. And next, how could we trade with the channel? First of all, let's see trading within the channel. Channel allows a better perspective of the market structure compared to merely trading with the trend lines. Long and short positions are initiated at the top and the bottom ends of the channels, depending on the scope of the channel itself. Look at these two examples. We could see when the price reached to the bottom line, then the price may get supported. So at this area, it should be a buy point. And when if like the price go up, reach to the top line and be rejected by the top line, then in this case, here should be a sell point. And here is an example, which is EURUSD, the daily chart. We could see that in this case, the price is moving in a bearish channel and just got supported from the bottom line. So now the price is actually in the process of a rebound, right? So in this case, can we still buy it? Because there's actually some space reached to the top line. Not really. We should take a close look to the EURUSD because this is just daily chart, right? Okay, first of all, go to the MT4 app. It's the EURUSD weekly chart. We could see actually in the weekly chart, the price is still moving in the bearish channel, right? And actually reached to the bottom line. So the price began to rebound. So we may need to go to the daily chart to make a confirmation. But in the daily chart, price is still in the bearish channel and got supported from here. Here's the thing for those 2 days, actually the price seems like having a bearish engulfing pattern, right? So in this case, the price may continue to drop, but we are not sure yet. But obviously now it's not a buy point. This candle is not completed yet. We may need to wait till it completed. Okay, if you really want to trade long, then we'd better to wait till the price being supported above the support area. But now it should be a short timing. Let's see, check it on the 4-hour chart to see actually the price is get reversed. So we get an indicator which is 30 EMA. Why we choose this indicator? Because we could see actually the price every time reach to the 30 EMA and the price will get rejected. So we choose the 30 EMA. And now we see last time it reached to 30 EMA and it got supported, began to go up, but now it downward break it. But this candle is not completed. But if when this candle completed, downward break the 30 EMA, right? So in this case, it may be timing for day trader to short trade it, but not 100%. Okay, sometimes we make mistakes because you notice here when the price is being supported, it began to go up, right? This is a bullish candle and you buy it, but next candle the price continue to go down. But according to technical analysis, usually when the price being rejected or break out the trend indicator like this EMA, then it should be buy or sell point. Okay, so this is like the 4-hour chart. But if you want a safer signal to short, then you'd better wait till the candle, this candle is completed. Then we could say if the price continue to drop, that means the rebound is ended. The price will continue to drop. Then you could do a short day trading. All right. And beside the technical analysis, here is the fundamental part. The ECB, which is European Central Bank, meeting in crisis, it shows like the Europe might continue to decline. On Thursday, the ECB will raise interest rate for the first time in 10 years as the weakened euro requests the top policy of the regulator. Here are Eurozone problems. The EU is on the brink of recession due to the energy crisis. The German Uniper is already using gas from storage facilities. If it is not enough, countries may ration gas consumption. In this case, companies will reduce activity and produce less. As a result, price for domestic goods will rise while export decline. In this case, the euro will decrease, pushing inflation even higher. So from the fundamental analysis, the euro may continue to decline. So in this case, if we consider to short, maybe it would be safer, but not 100% because the market is changing, right? We just talked about trading within the channel, but now we're going to talk about how could we trade when the channel break out. First of all, plot a channel connecting high, low, high or low, high, low. Secondly, wait for price to break out the channel and to retest the channel. Thirdly, set stop loss at the low of the channel with the entry at the breakout price. Lastly, set target to support or resistance levels formed within the channel. Okay, here is the example. This is like the EURUSD, the 4-hour chart. Because I get this picture several hours before, so it's not the latest price. Okay, so we could say if like this is a bearish channel, right? When the price break out the bearish channel, and if we buy it here, then we could take the low of the channel like here. This is a previous low as a stop loss, and we could take like here resistance level, which is a previous high, as our target. So this is how could we trade when the price break out the channel. First of all, let's see, this is the weekly chart of gold, XAUUSD, right? And then we could see the price actually is moving in a distribution zone after a bullish market. And now we could see actually the price reached to the bottom line of the distribution zone, which is also a support level, which is about 1,676. Okay, almost here. Last week we actually made a video which is talking about the this asset. We actually said the support area is here. So this week the price being supported and began to have a rebound. Now let's see if next week the price will continue to rebound. Let's go to daily chart. So we could see this is the daily chart and the price is still moving in the bearish channel and reached to a support level, which is previous low, right? The price being supported from here and begin to go up. So in this case, if you want to trade a rebound, it's better to do a day trading. Let's come to 4-hour chart. We could see there are two channels. Actually, the price is like upward break the lower channel. So now it will move to the top line of the upper channel, right? So after retest and begin to go up. So if like we want to do long trading for day trading, maybe we could take stop loss at here. But if you want to trade for short, then we go back to the daily chart. It's better for you to wait till the price reach to a resistance and begin to go down. For next, For more detail about how to draw and trade those channels, you could check this Exchange Speed ebook. You can get this ebook for free by opening Exchange Speed MT4 account or contact our customer service with Telegram or WhatsApp. So what I explained about a channel line is all from this ebook. So check the links in the description. Alright, like I just said, all the chart analysis today are my personal opinion, not 100%, and not a trading advice too. So please manage the risk yourself. But if you are afraid of losing money, here's a super great news for you. To celebrate Exchange Speed is launched on MT4 platform. We specially applied for a maximum bonus event only for you, which called Profit Guarantee Bonus Promotion Event, which means that if you lose money during the event period, Exchange Speed will pay all your losses back to your MT4 account. But if you gain profit, you could just take them away. For the details, you can refer to customer service. That's all for today. If you have any questions or suggestions, then you could send it to the comment area. I wish you could have a good trading experience on Exchange Speed. See you next time.